Hey traders, this is Daily Forex Market Review and we'll talk about Euro, Great Britain Pound and Japanese Yen, three instruments that I usually give you to trade. Here are trading ideas only for people who know how to trade. If you don't have any trading system, please leave this channel because you will lose your money if you don't know how to trade. To trade, you need to know how to put stop loss, how to put take profit, and you have to know money management. Technical ideas, this is something that I'll give you over here. Look, on monthly chart, I told you that our target goes down to 0.99. After they break 0.99, your target goes down to 0.96. But this is your target on monthly chart and weekly chart, not intraday, okay? I want to show you that tendency goes down. And if you already started to buy, I want to aware you there is no buy signal on monthly chart. And this is not good. If you have buy signal on a huge time frame like monthly or weekly chart, this is good. But if you start to buy only because price is touching some good support, it's not good. On weekly chart, there is no buy signal. Total tendency is still going down. But in the same time, I can't tell you that it's a good moment to sell euro dollar. It's like perfect to sell euro dollar. No, it doesn't look like that because this is only correction to 14.6% of FIBA levels. The next FIBA levels correction line is 1.0520. So it's still possible that price will go to 1.05. And this is something that I also have to aware you about. If they break 103, they will go up to 105. And this is weekly chart. We go to daily chart. And now we'll be like, okay, I do understand why they give me a rebound over here. And this is something I told you about. We have level of resistance 103.10, 103.80. And they almost touched that level of resistance. And from there, they give us a rebound and go down. So for today, what we should do, what we should trade, we can sell under 1.0160. Under 1.0160, and your next entry point is 10110. So here are two entry points for euro dollar today or tomorrow. If you want to sell euro dollar, you can do it only after they break 10160 and 10110 on 4-hour chart. And I wouldn't pay attention to stochastic or RSI oscillator right now. But I would pay attention to close price and to news list and also to American dollar index behavior. So you don't use tendencies right now, but you use close price of a candle, and we need to see shadows on the top side but not on the bottom. And after that you can sell on 4-hour chart. What you should be aware about, if they go up, they break 103, they will go up to 105. And technically it may happen. So if you try to sell right now and you're like, oh, I will earn a lot of money, it may not happen because price is still above level of support. If we go to 15-minute chart, it is perfect to sell together with stochastic oscillator sign signal under 200 moving average. It's still perfect. It's still beautiful to sell under this together with stochastic oscillator signal, but it's not easy. So I told you that the best time to trade euro is on European session. So tomorrow on European session, you can trade euro dollar together with stochastic oscillator signal if price breaks 10160. And you know your target 10110. We go to Great Britain Pound, and it's also a really beautiful moment because we discussed with you that under 121 we should sell down to 118, and it's still like that. If we discuss weekly situation, here is a range on weekly chart since 2016. Here is a range. The weekly chart since 2016. Here is a range. So current price is near the bottom side, but it's still in downtrend. There is still no buy signal on weekly chart. And I told you that you still may sell down to 117, 118, 117, and even down to 116. Do we have signal to sell right now? We check daily chart, and I wouldn't say that it's really good to sell right now. But I told you that as far as price is being under 121, we should sell and put stop loss above 121. And as far as price is being under that level, we still should keep selling. So current tendency is going down, and we should try to sell down to 116, 115, to that area. There is no, like I can tell you actually, there is support 114 as well, and this is the lowest price since 2020. So it may happen, price may go that far, and there is still support around 108.60. I'm not trying to say that price will go that far down, but right now there is no buy signal, and you have a beautiful support around 117, 116, and even 114. So you're not allowed to say that this is a perfect moment to buy. On 15-minute chart, we may open short positions under 200 moving average together with stochastic oscillator signal. After they show us this cross with percentage K and D, you may sell because price is under 121. They're trying to give a sell signal, so it's beautiful to sell. And Great Britain pound is something that you also trade on European session, because an American session, on Asian session, it's a little bit boring to trade those instruments unless we have some perfect news tomorrow, or we have some news on Asian's time. That usually it's much better to trade when it's European session. So my idea for Great Britain pound is not to buy this instrument, but to wait for a sell signal. If we discuss United States dollar with Japanese yen, here are two levels that I like so far. This is 134 and 135. After they break one of them, I'm gonna buy up to 135, 135. After they break 135, I'm gonna enter market with the target 137. So I still believe that this currency pair will show us new maximum up to 145. Well, you can say 145. And I'm not gonna open short positions. I don't have any sell signal right now. Even if price goes down and I don't earn anything, I will just tell you, I didn't have any trading signal. But when I'm gonna get this trading signal above 134, after price breaks that level of resistance, we can enter market with a target 135. Above that level, we'll enter market with a 137 target. So yes, I'm not gonna sell here, but I'm gonna buy, and you already know my levels, you already know my targets. Watch my other videos. I wish you profits, guys. See you.